A very good morning, students. How are you? This is your English teacher going to teach a new lesson today. Okay? Do you all like fantasy stories? First of all, what is meant by fantasy? Yes, fantasy means imaginary things. Okay? So, fantasy story means imaginary characters or imaginary things will happen in the story. Okay? Today we are going to see a fantasy story. Okay? Have you heard about Alice? Alice Adventures in Wonderland? Yes. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland is a children's story which is written by Lewis Carroll. Okay? Lewis Carroll. In that story, we will see so many characters, so many strange characters will be there. That is, cat is talking, rabbit is talking, and so many different things will happening there. Okay, this is the book we are following. Okay, Gulmohar, 8th edition, reader 6. That means 6th class, 8th edition Gulmohar, English text. The first lesson is Our first lesson is down the rabbit hole. Down the rabbit hole. Okay. It is an extract from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. It is an extract. What is the meaning of extract? Extract means a part of a book. Here, this is not a full story, but it is a part, a chapter. Okay, a chapter of a book, or it is one scene from the book. We are going to read one scene from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland book. This is the book. If you have chance to get this book, you please read it and enjoy the story. Okay, it is written by Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll's original name is Charles Ludwig Dodgson. Okay, better known by his pen name Lewis Carroll. What is meant by pen name? Pen name means an assumed name instead of real name. An assumed name instead of real name. That is usually writers. One who writes story, one who writes poem. Okay, they will use only pen name, not their original name. Pen name in Tamil we call it as Punai Peyar. Instead of their original name, they write in their pen name. Okay. He was an English writer, mathematician and photographer. He is an English writer, mathematician and photographer. Okay. His books are known for lovable characters of children as well as clever word play and fantasy. That is, in his books, in his stories, children will love some characters, no, so that characters are presented in his book. Okay, as well as clever word play and fantasy. Fantasy means, what is the meaning of fantasy? Imagination. Okay, fantasy means imaginary things, imagination, surprising things. That is called fantasy. Okay, shall we get into the story? Okay, before that, here is some introduction about the book. Shall we see that? Okay, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland is one of the most famous children's books ever written. Alice Adventures in Wonderland, it is one of the most famous children's book. It is loved by children. Okay, it is about the adventure of a 7-year-old girl, Alice, in a strange land filled with strange characters. Okay, it is about the adventure. What is the meaning of adventure? Adventure means an exciting or remarkable experience. Okay, exciting experience. உற்சாகமான ஒரு த்ரில்லா இருக்கிறது. So we call it as thrilling or a very adventurous thing. Okay, or a surprising element will be there. So that is called adventure. So it is about adventure of a 7-year-old girl, Alice. The character name is Alice. Alice is 7 years old. In a strange land. Strange. What is the meaning of strange? Strange means unusual or surprising. Okay, unusual, not the normal thing, not an ordinary thing. It is an strange land. Strange land. Okay, strange land filled with strange characters, and the land is filled with strange characters such as Queen of Hearts, Tweedledum and Tweedledee, the Cheshire Cat, Mock Turtle, the Mad Hatter, the Rabbit with a white coat and a pocket watch, and many more. So in this book, in this Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, if we read that, we come to know about these strange characters. These are all the characters. Okay. So each chapter of the book presents a dream-like situation involving Alice and these unusual characters. So each chapter of the book involves both Alice and this strange characters. Okay, it is like a dream-like situation. Dream-like situation means we will feel that it's a dream-like situation. Okay, but here in this book we are going to see only the one strange character, the rabbit with the white coat and a pocket watch. Okay, in this book we are going to see Alice with this rabbit. Okay, now Down the Rabbit Hole is a chapter of Alice Adventures in Wonderland. This is the whole book, and Down the Rabbit Hole is a chapter from this book. Okay, so this is the chapter provided by the publisher. Okay, Down the Rabbit Hole marks the beginning of Alice's adventure. Okay, so it is the beginning chapter. Down the Rabbit Hole is the beginning chapter, first chapter or beginning chapter of Alice's adventures. Okay, in this chapter, driven by curiosity about the unusual rabbit, Alice goes down a rabbit hole and finds herself in a land of fantasy. So in this chapter, what is given means driven by curiosity. Curiosity, what is the meaning of curiosity? Curiosity means an unusual or interesting object or fact. Curiosity means an unusual or interesting object or fact. Okay. So driven by curiosity. What is meant by driven by curiosity? Out of curiosity, because of curiosity we can say. Okay. Driven by curiosity about an unusual rabbit. On seeing the rabbit, Alice became very curious. Alice goes down a rabbit hole and finds herself in a land of fantasy. So out of curiosity, Alice followed the rabbit and she finds herself in a land of fantasy. Fantasy, I already told, fantasy means imagination. Fantasy means imagination. Land of fantasy means imaginary land. Okay, it is an imaginary land. Okay, let us see the first paragraph. All of you follow the lines. There was nothing so very remarkable about the white rabbit saying, oh dear, I shall be too late, and hurrying on. Okay, this is the first line. There was nothing so very remarkable. What is the meaning of remarkable? Remarkable means extraordinary. Remarkable means extraordinary. Here, there was nothing so very remarkable. All of you underline the word and write extraordinary. Nothing so very remarkable means there is nothing extraordinary. Nothing. There was nothing so very remarkable means there was nothing extraordinary. That means only ordinary thing. Which is ordinary thing? White rabbit saying, oh dear, I shall be too late. It is an ordinary thing in a fantasy world. Okay. It is an ordinary thing. The author says it is an ordinary thing. The white rabbit saying, oh dear, I shall be too late. As it is in a double quotes, isn't it? You can find that it is in a double quotes, isn't it? Oh dear, I shall be too late. What is the meaning of oh dear, I shall be too late? These are the words said by white rabbit. Okay, so here the white rabbit speaks. because it is a fantasy story. So the white rabbit speaks. Okay, what is the meaning of oh dear, oh dear? Oh dear, I shall be too late means, oh my god, it's getting late. I am very late. So the rabbit is saying, oh my god, I am very late. And hurrying on. Hurrying means, what is the meaning of hurrying? Speeding up. Or a rabbit is hurrying up by saying, oh dear, I shall be too late. Where it is going, we don't know. Okay, but it is saying that I shall be too late. But when Alice, who was sitting beneath the tree with her sister and feeling bored, saw the rabbit take a watch out of its waistcoat pocket and look at it, it flashed across her mind that she had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. Second line is a very big line, or if you follow carefully. But when Alice, who was sitting beneath the tree, here the character Alice, so here we find our main character Alice. Alice is sitting under the tree. You can find in the picture, and this is Alice. Alice is sitting under the tree with her sister. Her sister is reading the book, but Alice feels very bored. And at that time, she sees a rabbit, and that rabbit is running by saying, oh dear, oh dear. Okay. And on seeing it, she feels very surprised. Okay. So that is the thing given here. Tree with the sister. She is sitting under the tree feeling bored, saw the rabbit take a watch out of its waistcoat pocket. And it takes the watch out of its waistcoat pocket. What does it mean by waistcoat? Waistcoat means, this is called waistcoat. And it takes a pocket watch. So pocket watch, have you seen pocket watch? Okay, he took out the watch from his pocket and he watched it, and then he ran. Okay. Burning with curiosity. What does it mean by burning with curiosity? More curiosity. Burning means it's not like anything burns. Okay. Burning with curiosity means out of more curiosity, she ran across the field after it. She ran across the field after it. That is, she ran after the rabbit. After it means after the rabbit. And was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under the hedge. Okay, here hedge means, what is the meaning of hedge? Hedge means a fence or boundary formed by closely growing bushes or shrubs. Hedge means a fence or boundary formed by closely growing bushes or shrubs. Okay, that is called hedge. Okay. So here, when she followed the rabbit, and that time she saw in just in time. What is the meaning of just in time? Just in time means, what is the meaning of just in time? That is, while she is seeing, it popped down a large rabbit hole. A big rabbit hole is there. Another name of rabbit hole is burrow. You all know, isn't it? Another name for rabbit hole is burrow. The rabbit just popped down. Popped down means he just get into the hole. It just get into the hole. So it popped down. Pop down means get down. Get into the hole means it is popped down. So the rabbit get into the burrow under the hedge. Under the hedge means we have seen. Okay, hedge means a fence or boundary formed by closely growing bushes or shrubs. Okay, so what we have seen in this paragraph, when Alice sitting under the tree with her sister, she feels bored. At that time, she saw a rabbit running there, and it wears a coat and it has a pocket watch, and it is running by saying, oh dear, I shall be too late. On seeing this rabbit, Alice feels very curious and she follows the rabbit. So rabbit runs across the field and it fell into the, that is, it popped down into the big rabbit hole, okay, large rabbit hole. Let us see what happens in the next paragraph. Next paragraph. In another moment, down went Alice after it. So in another moment, she followed blindly. No, Alice followed the rabbit blindly. She also popped down into the same rabbit hole, okay, never once considering how in the world she was to get out again. She didn't consider how she get out from the hole. Alice didn't consider that. Consider means she didn't think about how she get out from the rabbit hole. She just want to see the rabbit. Because of curiosity, she just want to see the rabbit and followed the rabbit, and she also fell into the rabbit hole, okay. She fell slowly through what seemed like a bottomless tunnel, but finally landed on a heap of sticks and dry leaves. She fell slowly into the rabbit hole. She just, if it is the rabbit hole means she fell slowly through the what seemed like a bottomless tunnel. It's like a bottomless tunnel. Tunnel, you know, isn't it? What is the meaning of tunnel? The meaning of tunnel is an artificial underground passage. An artificial underground passage, okay, that is called tunnel. In other words, we call it as surangam, okay. In Tamil, we call it as surangam. So Alice fell into the bottomless tunnel, but finally landed on a heap of sticks. So finally she landed on a heap of sticks and dry leaves. Sticks means dry sticks from the leaves, and dry leaves, okay. Sticks and dry leaves. What is the meaning of heap? Heap means a group of things lying one on top of the other. A group of things, that is in Tamil we call it as kuviyal, or in Tamil we will see kuviyal, okay. So there is a group of dry leaves and sticks, okay. So Alice landed on group of sticks and dry leaves, okay. Okay, shall we see next paragraph? Okay. Alice was not a bit hurt. She was not a bit hurt. Bit hurt means not in a single hurt. Not, she did not have a single hurt. Hurt means any harm. Hurt means any harm or any pain, anything, okay. And she jumped up onto her feet. She fell down into the hole, no, and she jumped out on her feet. She just stand up and stand in her feet in a moment, in the next moment. Then she looked up. She looked up, but it was all dark overhead. When she fell into the rabbit hole, she looked up. If we fell into the rabbit hole, if we fell into the hole, or if we are in the tunnel, means when we look up, it is very dark, isn't it? So likewise, when she looked up, but it was all very dark overhead. Above her head, it is all dark. Before her was another long passage, and when she see before her, there was a long passage. What is the meaning of long passage? Some way is there, long way. And the rabbit was still in sight, and there she saw that white rabbit hurrying down it. And the white rabbit was still in sight, hurrying down it. And the rabbit is also hurrying, that is, it is running. There was not a moment to be lost. Away went Alice like the wind, and Alice didn't waste any time. There was not a moment to be lost means Alice didn't waste any time. Didn't waste time. She also followed like a wind. Like a wind, she just followed the rabbit, okay. Away went Alice like the wind, and was just in time to hear it say, as it turned a corner, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Away went Alice like a wind. She also followed the rabbit like a wind, and was just in time to hear it say. At that time, Alice heard the rabbit says, "Oh, my whiskers and oh, my ears and whiskers. Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." These words are said by rabbit. Okay, when it turned one corner, it says, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." What is the meaning of "oh my ears and whiskers"? Here is the meaning given in the glossary. "Oh my ears and whiskers" means it is an expression of anxiety similar to "oh my god." That is, "oh my ears and whiskers" means "oh my god, it's late." We will say no. "Oh my god, it's late." Adakadavle late aiche. We will say no. So this is the expression, "oh my ears and whiskers." Okay. "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." These are the words by rabbit. Okay. She was close behind it, and Alice followed the rabbit, and she was very close behind it when she turned the corner, but the rabbit was no longer to be seen. And there was a turning. In that turning, when she turned the corner, the rabbit was no longer to be seen. She didn't see the rabbit disappears. Okay. She found herself in a long, low hall which was lit up by a row of lamps hanging from the roof. When she turned the corner, there was no rabbit, but there she found herself in a long, low hall. It's a long hall but low hall. Low hall means very small, or the ceiling is very low, which was lit up by a row of lamps hanging from the roof. What is the meaning of lit? Lit up. Lit up means light, or the past participle is lit. Okay. Light, lit up, which was lit up by a row of lamps hanging from the roof. So from the roof she saw a row of lamps which is lit up. Light, lit. Okay. Past tense of light is lit. That is verb form. It is in verb form. Okay. You can see the picture here. Here Alice is in a long, low hall, and there she saw so many lamps are lit up from the roof. Okay. And there was a long, low hall. Okay. Okay, students, let us see what happens to Alice in the next class. Okay. I have given synonyms and antonyms. Synonym means meanings. Antonym, I have given 5 meanings. Leave space for another 5 meanings and then start writing antonyms. Okay, students. Antonyms means opposites, and I have given make sentences. You have to make your own sentences. Okay, I have given only the question you have to make. Okay, copy down in your classwork. Okay, students. Thank you.